If you're working in Gamma and you make a mistake, don't worry, because undo and redo can save you a ton of time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to undo and redo in Gamma app. Whether you're editing text, moving cards, or making small design changes, this is one of those simple shortcuts that every Gamma user should know because it helps you work faster, avoid frustration, and fix changes instantly. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, open your Gamma presentation and go to the deck or page you want to edit. Now make any small change so you can see how the undo and redo feature works. For example, you can type a word, delete some text, or move a card to a different position. Even a tiny edit is enough to test the shortcut. Now, if you want to undo that last action on Windows, press Ctrl Z. If you're using a Mac, press Command Z. That instantly reverses your most recent change. So if you accidentally edited the wrong text or moved something by mistake, this shortcut brings everything right back the way it was. It's fast, it's simple, and it can save you from having to manually fix things one step at a time. If you want to redo the change after undoing it, use the redo shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl Shift Z. On Mac, press Command Shift Z. That brings back the change you just undid. So if you pressed undo one time too many, or you decide you actually want that edit after all, redo puts it back immediately. In some versions of Gamma, you may also see undo and redo buttons directly in the editor. If they're visible, you can click those instead of using the keyboard. The buttons are a convenient option if you prefer working with your mouse or trackpad, especially while you're navigating around the canvas and making design changes. A good habit while using Gamma is to make edits one step at a time and use undo and redo whenever something doesn't look right. That way, you can experiment more confidently without worrying about ruining your layout. Whether you're rewriting content, reorganizing cards, or adjusting a presentation flow, these tools make the editing process much smoother. So just to recap, open your Gamma presentation, make a change, press Ctrl Z on Windows or Command Z on Mac to undo, and press Ctrl Shift Z on Windows or Command Shift Z on Mac to redo. If available, you can also use the undo and redo buttons in the editor. That's really all there is to it. Undo and redo are small features, but they are incredibly useful when you're building in Gamma. They help you correct mistakes quickly and keep your workflow moving. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.